Hello guys, you are welcome once again to my channel where we learn skills. Okay, today I will be putting on this multi-purpose liquid soap with just 3 ingredients. Yes, okay, and then I'll be working on this is my soda ash. I have 60 grams here, and this is my STP. I have 40 grams, and I have 2 tablespoons of SLS here. Okay, and then I have my booster, the booster we made the other time. We're going to be making use of it, like I said, that I'll be using it to make our liquid soap, and of course I'll be adding salt to it. Okay, all of these ones are just personal formulation, just like when we enter into my DM for our training, you'll be able to formulate your own recipe yourself. And the only thing I'm going to add again is using the salt as a thickener. So what is the first thing I'm going to do? I will just be producing 4 liters of water. And so what are the things I'm going to do? I'll be soaking all of them so that they can dissolve. So I will be taking out of the 4 liters of water to soak my, this is STP. So I will mix it until it dissolves. Okay, and here's my SLS. I will also soak it and stir it to mix it. Oh, I ought to have done this before it, but I just want it to be that we all witness it. Okay, I mix this one until it is soaked. It's well mixed and it settles. My STP. Okay, remember this is my soda ash. It's not yet properly dissolved. My STP. It's already clear, it's already dissolving very well. You can see it. But it's very cool. Everything is cool. Everything is clear. So we can go ahead with our mixing. Just all of this that you will be learning in my class, my online class. You'll be able to formulate your own chemical. You'll be able to measure it without having to copy from other videos. Okay, so with all this one, you will become the master of yourself, formulating your own chemicals, and then formulating your detergent, soap. Okay, all of this were just idea I got from my training, from my experience. So I'm not copying it from any online video. That's what I expect us to do. Okay, how to calculate without missing word, without making mistake, and you will get accurate measurement that can give you profit in your soap business, your cosmetics business. Okay, so let's allow it to settle down. Okay, they are now settled, they are now clear. So what we are going to do now, we are going to take our soda ash, we pour it there. Okay, pour it here. This one still remain in two lumps. That we can see it very well. Then we'll pour our SLS. You can see SLS is already forming the thickening there. And then we pour our STP. You can see our foaming, our liquid soap is already getting prepared. Make sure the knobs are okay. You can see it's already preparing. Then I'll be pouring my foam booster. Remember the foam booster we did? Okay, I told you you can be the maker of your own chemical. So I pour the foam booster. You know the foam booster has for sulfonic acid, it has caustic soda, and of course. So the next thing we are good to go, I will now add my remaining water. I do that gradually. You know we are making 4 liters of multi-purpose liquid soap. So you can see it. So you keep adding your water until you get your consistency. Okay. Okay, you can see the foaming coming out. And because I'm producing 4 liters of water, I'll be adding 4 tablespoons of salt. Okay, you know what the salt does? It will thicken your soap to the consistency you want it. Okay, you can see it's already thickening. You can see it thickening already. So it can be left this way. You can color it. So I'm going to put a little color. I'm going to put a magenta color, or if you like, call it pink color. So what do I do? Take some of it and mix a little color first. So mix it with the little you want. It seems this my color is going to be mush. Let me just take some of it and I will watch how the color comes out. So you mix it very well. It's already very thick, you can see it. So you keep mixing all the color is properly integrated into it, and then we leave it for about 6 hours. When we come back, I will show us the outcome. Thanks so much for waiting till now. God bless you. Let's wait for it. And this is it. I just rinsed the bowl. I didn't put anyone inside. You can see how foamy it is. Just only 3 ingredients with a foam booster. Okay, the foam booster we made. See how it came out. It's in my hand.